Welcome all to my episode number 51. Today I will display Bengal handloom Jamdani dress materials. Before starting the display, one line for my Kolkata friends that we are continuing our pre-puja exhibition at 396 Prince Anwar Road. We are available all the 7 days from 1 to 6 p.m. Please call us at 9831144942 before coming. Please make an appointment for the convenience of both. We are waiting eagerly for your visit. Starting the display. Today is dress material day and cotton Jamdani. Very nice. All are weaved, hand-loomed, pure cotton. Means I have few resham also that I will tell you. These are cotton. I am starting with cotton. It is the kurta. This is dupatta and this will be the bottom. The price is, what is the 3350. 3350. Each piece is different. The design might be same, motifs might be same, but the colors will be different. These all are weaved one, hand weaving everything. Pink and grey here combined. Yes, like this. Price is same, 3350. Here the combination is just opposite, means grey is the kurta, this is a front motif for kurta. Lining will be needed for each piece. Yes, ma'am. All the three pieces are here. 3350 means kurta, bottom and dupatta. Nice pink it is. Very comfortable, very soft material. Very stylish. Yes. Double 350. That is yellow. Very bright it is. On yellow everything looks very bright, very nice, any color. Yeah. The dupattas are very nice, as both the colors has been used here, bicolor. 3350. Now it is the kurta, and bottom will be with same material. This material is better quality than that one, the previous one, and the motifs are also, it is more intricate work here. More classy, like this. The price is, where is the, $4950. These cottons are supreme quality of cotton. Without touching you can't understand that, but I'm very nice. Sorry. Yeah. And the width of the material is also very good, wide. It is a width of sari actually. This is a kurta. Kurta and bottom is of same color. All the colors are same. Excuse me. It is also black. The motifs are different. This is the motif. Just see how nice it is. So colorful. If you want, you can mix and match. So many colors has been used. So with this kurta, you can use other dupatta, and with this dupatta, you can use other kurtas also. Like this. Kurta. I am showing one piece so that you can understand the kurta, and this is the length. It is more than 6 meters. Here it is 4 folds, 2 folds for kurta and 2 folds for the bottom. It is not, I think it is navy blue. It is not black. It is navy blue. Actually, in this light, it is very difficult to identify the black and the navy blue. This is the kurta. Just see the motif, the intricacy of the, if you zoom one, if you can zoom it. Very beautiful. And this is a dupatta. Very dressy, very classy type. Price is same, 4950. And each motif is so nice, so much traditional type. Sorry. Oh no. It's very difficult to manage 4 folds actually. That is why it is troubling me. Yeah, like this. It is. And I am not opening the dupatta. Let's just see how it is. Very fine cotton. This color is very nice. The same design like the previous one, and color is beautiful. The mustard color, and on that orange, pink, shade of blue and green, both are there. Yeah, like this. These are full sets with bottom, everything. 4950. All are Bengal's specialty, Bengal special Jamdani. These are, just see the motif. And this is the dupatta. This is for the dupatta. Colors are also, combinations are very nice. Now I will show you the dress material on resham. It is silk, all are silk mark tagged. Here, as it is silk, so bottom is not there because silks are not good for bottom. So kurta and dupatta, both are of same material. Here it is only material for only kurta. You can see from brightness you can understand that it is silk on silk. Those type of colors are becoming so vibrant here. And this is the dupatta. Like this. It is resham jamdani. These are. So far I was showing you cotton jamdani. These are resham jamdani, silk marked. Price is 4950. The same price we have kept, but the bottom is not there. But these are absolutely silk. Would require the lining. Each color is so pretty, each one. Just see the colors. This is the dupatta. Price is 4950. Resham jamdani dress material. Here it is peacock, so beautifully done. Just see, all are hand weaved. Handloom products, all are like this. $4950. Wow, black on black, everything, so many colors, so and you can make any with any piece full sleeve. This is the kurta. These are 3 meter length you are getting here, so easily you can make full sleeve. Very nice sets you can make, very nice dress. Here it is white, yeah, and white, so many colors, all the colors has been used. And this is for the dupatta. This is the dupatta. It is snuff color, I think. Again another peacock. Not peacock, it is parrot. Sorry, parrot design. And this is the dupatta. Snuff color, nice one. Actually all colors are very nice, so with multicolor and on silk, everything is looking very nice. And when material is good, so everything would look nice. It can hold very nicely. This is another peacock. On Rani pink, queen pink, and this is the dupatta. You can mix and match with kurta and dupatta. You can use any color, so many colors has been used, so contrast bottom you can do, you have that liberty to make your own combination. It is beautiful cream color, of white or cream color it is. Very nice. Let's see how nice it is looking. And this is the dupatta. This is the motifs for dupatta. Like this. Now it is red. Wow, beautiful one. And this is the dupatta. Royal blue on that pink, green, firoza, gold. The artists have Very good sense of color. And this is the dupatta. And last one is lemon yellow. Beautiful color. Very bright. And on that this pink, green, blue, red parrot. It is also parrot design has been done. And this is the dupatta. Thanks a lot, dear, for watching the display. Want to mention that each piece is single and non-recreatable, so do the best, do the needful first. Namaskar.